Hi guys, Will here from WB Trading, and in today's video we're going to trade the mechanical DAX strategy together, and you'll see just how easy trading can be when using a mechanical rule-based strategy. If that sounds good, stay tuned. Hi guys, and welcome back. If you are new to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the free content that I share with the trading community here on YouTube. So here we are back on the DAX market, and I've actually just taken a -1R loss a second ago via the first trade that the strategy triggered for us. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but that's just part of trading, isn't it? But it looks like the market's about to trigger our second entry here, so I've just turned the screen recorder back on. And I'm going to take this trade with you all today because I know it's been a while since I last live traded this strategy for you all, and I'll explain why that is in just a second. But let me get this taken first, and that is absolutely brilliant. I've just missized that again. There we go. Right, so as per the strategy rules, we've just been given our entry signal here, so that's us along the market. And for those of you who don't have a clue how this strategy works, it's a completely mechanical approach to trading where the strategy actually tells us where to enter, where to put our stop loss, and where to put our target. With that, we simply take the trade when told to, and we walk away. And the major advantage here is that this solves the problem and the pain, really, of having to constantly guess and predict the market and so on, which is what most people are sadly taught that they have to do, which just isn't the case. Again, mechanical strategies remove that need entirely. We just follow our rules every day, log the results, and make money. It's an extremely easy way to trade. Anyway, now that that's done, let me explain why I haven't been quite as active online over the last few weeks, and that's because I've been slowly and painstakingly turning the current strategy guides that are currently available in ebook format into extremely extensive, extremely in detail video courses, which are going to completely replace the ebook guides from January. Now, a warning for those of you who haven't learned any of my strategies yet, prices will be rising as of January 1st, and there's a few reasons for that. So firstly, the hundreds of hours that it's taken me across the last few months to lay out video content, do the research, get the videos recorded, edited, built, the graphics done, the voiceovers done. You know, it's been a massive amount of work. It really has. Secondly, because of the cost involved. Now, I actually hired a course mentor and spent a few £1,000s in the process paying him for his help and his guidance to make sure that the new video courses are absolutely the best that they can be. And I've also hired a customer success manager to Paul, who will be joining us from January, and it will be his job to reach out to the new traders that join us, answer any questions, help them get started, and just look after you guys that work with me in general, really, and make sure that you achieve results. So that's an additional ongoing cost that I've taken on, not to mention the cost of video hosting and so on too. And the third reason I'm upping prices, as if the previous two weren't enough, is because of the results that you guys who've worked with me across the last year have been achieving using the strategies, which has been really fantastic. And let me share a few examples. So Thomas, who's been trading all my strategies alongside me since last year, has actually almost rolled over an absolutely massive 100R this year. And yes, I did just say 100R by using the strategies, and without considering compounding, that's an account balance more than double. That's massive. Derek, who joined me back in July, I think might have been August, as you'll read from his email, he's made more than 5 times the fee. 5 times. In other words, he's made into the 4 figures, and that's using just one of the strategies too. Mark, who actually joined me over the last few weeks, and he's already touching on 10R up, which, you know, at 2% risk is, well, you can do the math. You don't need me to spell it out, but again, massive growth since he joined me. Paul, who's taken a small initial account up into the 4 figures now, showing that it's possible, and again, that's with just one strategy too. Now, All of the feedback that I've just showed you, apart from the last review, is date stamped, it's time stamped, it's name stamped. If any of you want to speak to these people, drop me a message or an email and I'll send your email address to them and ask them to reach out to you so that you can be sure that all of this feedback is genuine. It's not just made up. But again, it's results on results on results. Now, I could go on, but to tell you a little bit more about the new video courses, because that's what's really going to be important, what you'll learn within them is far from just a strategy or a setup, believe me. I've covered absolutely everything in these courses, from the very basics of understanding and managing risk, edge, how I found and built the strategies themselves so that you can actually see inside them, strategy development, understanding probabilities and win rates, building statistics, and a hell of a lot more than that as well. Honestly, the aim of the courses is far from just to share a strategy. It really is. These courses are going to hopefully turn people into fully knowledgeable, successful, consistent traders. And of all the trading courses and mentoring that I've gone through myself, this new course that I've put together really is better than all of them. And I've put in the time and the money to make damn sure of that too. So I'm really excited to share them in a couple of weeks' time. Now, one thing I want to mention though is for anyone who joins me before then, you'll receive the video course update at no extra cost. You'll get the update completely free. So if you are thinking of learning any of my strategies, now is the time, because you'll steer around the price increase and you'll receive the video courses anyway. So please don't wait and then complain in January when prices have gone up. And by the way, if you are enjoying the video today, it'd be great if you'd hit that like button and leave me a comment. That'd really help me, if that's okay with you. Anyway, let me go away and get some breakfast. I haven't even eaten yet this morning. Let me catch up on some GMTV and we'll see where we end up via this trade. Back soon. Right, just back, and easy as that. Brilliant. Just imagine all of the traders out there battling with the markets this morning, and all we've done is a way to set up, press the button and run straight to target. For those of us with this strategy, on days like today, we cannot complain, can we? We really can't. So that's just below 2.5R in the bank, and minus the small -1R loss we took earlier, that's us 1.5R up on the day. Cannot be complained at. So before I go, just another very quick reminder on the video courses that are going live in January, along with the pricing increase. I really don't want any of you to lose out on learning the strategies now at a much cheaper price than they'll be as of January. So again, if you've been thinking about joining me, now is definitely the time. And believe me, you're going to absolutely love the new video courses when they go live. You really are. Anyway, I really hope that helps. I'll leave it there for today. And as always, trade with edge, with consistency. And I look forward to having you back here on the channel soon. Thanks, everyone.